E for MarketWizard.com and eMiniWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. We're just into the open. We've got news coming out in a couple of minutes. The convenient trade has worked wonderfully. This is a 2-day swing. We know basis a 2-day swing. We've got 85 gap close resistance we started with this morning up here at 01, 05 stop. And anybody that's come short, reminder there's news coming out. Payday 88s to 87 and a half, and then the good fortune below that, trying to get the gap and obviously test support, which is back here at this 82 right now. And that is our angel test. So I'm just trying to sequence and put everything together to show the ideas. And obviously this is probably a shake and bake trade. Here's our 5-minute coming into our blue line. And from yesterday, this last low right in here, this 78, that's our key support. If that breaks, remember I called that yesterday. All right, let's use 78 support. If that breaks, then we open the door to come backwards. But for now, that is you've got to use that as your stop. News coming, so make sure you are paid. Okay, this is on a 5-minute chart. Now we can see this. I said this 95 is probably our resistance, hopefully get the gap. So now we're going to go back and look at something like a 10-minute chart to see that. And that shows us that 78 area. That's key. Here was our rotation yesterday. Bang, sideways, all fluff. Everybody buys in up here. Charlie gets really nailed this first trade. I like this 10-minute chart for now. And one more chart we want to look at. Which is our monthly. So we've abandoned the top. We've come back down. We said, make sure you paid here into 85 to 84s. And this 71 obviously will be the key underneath and anything in here. This is a pretty long stretch, but by the 3-box system, obviously this 73, 72 is all important today. And probably, I don't think we're going to get down there at all, this morning. If we do, I'm more than happy to admit I'm wrong, but I think that's our key support. And I said I thought it'd be tedious this morning because it's 2-way day. And part of that is fed up, and part of it is taking some profits ahead of news. So this is shake and bake, in my opinion, meaning and anybody wants to try alongside buying support in an uptrend has worked forever. And if you take some risk and it doesn't work, then take your stop out. But all we know right now is range type trade. Okay, and this is our overnight low. My feeling is anybody that has not taken profits ahead of this news coming out, why would you put it at risk? If you've already had a good day, you should go and play golf or do whatever. You just need one of these type of trades. That's all. You don't need 12 of them. 2-day swing, which is obviously the weekly. And we have broken the 85. We're testing the 82s. If they bust, then our next target zone, it would be the 78 to 77. And we'll review a couple other charts in a minute. News coming out. Anybody that is blessed with some chips already, take it. This is a neckline, by the way, that broke. And our resistance, the demon was 90, called at 97 and a quarter. Just a reminder. 97 and a quarter, and 82s. Range type trade for now. That's all we know. Testing support.